Hi there. In this video, you'll learn how to create fill-in-blank questions. Fill-in-blank questions help you provide effective ways to assess specific knowledge of learners, such as principles and definitions. It includes a phrase, sentence, or paragraph with a blank text box. This text box is where learners enter text as their answer. The procedure to use a fill-in-blank question is: insert fill-in-blank questions. Set correct answers. Define score and reporting. Add events, actions. Insert feedback messages. To insert this type of question, open the Interactions tab and click Fill-in-blank. Or, you can open the Home tab, click Interactions, and click Fill-in-blank. And this is the question slide that appears on the canvas with some main sections: question title, answer, feedback message, and button. Note that a fill-in-blank question has only one blank text box. If you want to have more blanks, consider using fill-in multiple blanks questions. This text box is formattable. You're free to format and style the text box like you do with a normal text box object. A fill-in-blank question can have more than one correct answer. To set a correct one, select the question, and go to the General section of the Properties pane, click Add Value. Then, type or paste the correct answer in the box. Besides, to delete a correct value, click Remove. Now, take a look at the Score and Reporting section. You can set the number of scores for each correct answer, and define the reporting options from here. To define score, you have to select the graded mode first, and enter number of points that learners gain when they answer the question correctly. In addition, you can define the number of attempts, and the amount of time that they can give the answer before the question is disabled. This option makes the answer as a password field. When users enter characters in the box, they will be shown as asterisks. Besides, if you select this option, uppercase and lowercase characters are treated differently. In other words, learners have to exactly enter each letter of a word as required. After users answer the question, you can let the answer be submitted automatically, or manually by pressing a key from the Submit section here. For more details about these options, you can refer to the video, Defining Score and Report for Questions. This box is to define the variable to take place. More on this can be found in the video, Understanding Variables. Like other question types, fill-in-blank ones also have default events and actions that are ready to use. But you can change them or make them more advanced as you wish. To do that, select the question, access the Events, Actions section in the Properties pane. As you can see, a fill-in-blank question has 4 events by default: on correct, on incorrect, on timeout, on incomplete. And you can add more events to it. For example, I will add the onTextEnter event to define actions for each entered text value. You can find more information on this in the video, Working with Events, Actions. A question always comes with default feedback messages. You can use them or customize them the way you like. You can even add more or delete them, as long as you do that in the Slide Master view. Open the View tab. Click Slide Master, and work with these messages as normal objects. After that, close the master view to save the change. Now, let's see the result. So, now you know how to use fill-in-blank questions with ActivePresenter 7. Hope that helps.